I'm Tonya Ridley and I'm a physical therapist here at Tulsa Bone Joint. Glenn and I are going to show you some initial exercises that I would like you to do right after your total shoulder replacement. So these exercises, Glenn, can either be done with your sling on or with your sling off.
Okay.
So first what I want you to do is you're going to bend your arm up and all the way back down. So these exercises are just helping to get blood flow and decrease swelling in your arm. The next exercise, Glenn, you're going to take your wrist and you're just going to go up and down this way. Now, Glenn, you're going to take the ball that's in with your sling, and what you're going to do is you're going to squeeze the ball and hold it for a couple of seconds and then relax. And that's our exercises initially. None of these exercises should be painful.